to 12 Days of Christmas Crafting with Wallace Branch Library. My name is Sandra, and today we're going to do a Christmas tree. A Christmas tree that can sit on your table, that can sit on your desk, or you can give it as a gift for Christmas. The item you'll need to make this Christmas tree is a styrofoam cone, and this cone is a 3.7 inch by 8.9 inch cone. I got it from Walmart. You'll need garland, the color of your choice, some kind of base, some kind of little stand or base. You can get a flower pot. You can get one of the little stands from the Dollar Tree, a little candle holder. I chose a candle holder for my base. You need hot glue and hot glue stick or hot glue gun, hot glue stick, and something to go on the very top of your tree. And if you want to decorate it with some ornaments, I got these from Walmart. I want to think it was like $2.49. The price is right here. I got that from Walmart. And if I do use these, I won't use that a little bit. The tree is very blingy, as you can see. And that's all you'll need is the styrofoam cone, the garland, the tinsel garland, some kind of pedestal stand, or it can very well stand on its own because it's got a flat bottom, a hot glue gun, and some glue sticks, and a tree topper. Let's get started. Okay, to get started with your craft, first you plug in your hot glue gun. Get it all hot, get it ready to go. So, I do not take the covering off of my styrofoam because I might decide to use it one day for another craft. So, I'm a hot glue right to the plastic. So, to get started, I'm going to start with my hot gluing of my garland. So, I find the end of my garland and I put me a bead of glue on the very end of my tree, my cone. And then I get the very end of my garland and I just lay that down in it. And if you hold it on the top, it will not burn your hand. It will not burn. And you hot glue it as you go around. You just put another bead of glue on there as you go around. And this garland is very easy. As you can see, it covers well. And you just keep going all around the cone until you get up to the very top. Very easy craft. Going around and round and round. And you do not have to put hot glue all the way around. You just start wrapping and wrapping and wrapping all the way around until you get to the top. I pack it down and wrap again. And I just keep going round and round my cone. Push it down a little bit. Keep going round and round and round until I get to the top. And then once I get to the top, I just hot glue it down again at the top. Now, that's a pretty full tree. That's a full tree all the way around, but there's a spot right here I would like to recover to make it look a little fuller. And then I put the very tip. I'm going to hot glue it at the very top. Just to hot glue that down at the very top. And I'm going to put my top right down in the top of that. And just hold it down just a few minutes, a few seconds. And there you go. Your tree is all covered up. Now, like I said, my tree is already blingy enough. I don't really have to put any ornaments on it. You can put some pom-poms on there if you like, or you can get some of the little ornaments that I got from Walmart and put them on there, but I think I like my tree just like it is. I'm just going to put my tree topper on the top. So this is the tree, what it looks like when you're all done. And this is my base. My base looked like this, and I'm going to just put it, hot glue it down to the bottom. Just put some glue on the bottom of that and just sit it down on top of my tree stand. And this is what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to put hot glue the topper on. So let me go ahead and hot glue that in. And I just put hot glue in a round circle. And then I just attach my bottom on. And it is styrofoam. If you get one of those, you can really push that up into the end of the styrofoam if you're going to keep it as a Christmas tree. And you just hold that down in place for just a few minutes until it sticks, until that glue sticks a little bit, and there you go. It doesn't take hot glue very long, and you fluff your tree back out. And now all you need is your topper. I chose this little ornament. This is another Christmas ornament that I chose to put on as my topper. And all I'm going to do is, I got a piece of wire, a piece of jewelry wire, and then I'm going to hot glue this to the back of my ornament. And then I'm going to stick it down in the top. I put some hot glue on the back of that ornament, and I'm going to just stick my wire down on the top and just let it hold until it dries for just a minute or two, just a second or two. It doesn't take hot glue very long. Doesn't take it long at all. And then I'm going to just find my center and just push that down inside the top of my tree. There we go. And that's your tree. That's your Christmas tree that can sit on top of your desk, or you can give it as a gift. It can sit on a table, on an end table, or you can just decorate a window with that. So I hope you enjoy your Christmas tree. I don't think I want to put any ornaments on mine. I think I like it is, as is. So I hope you enjoy your Christmas tree and have a very merry and safe Christmas.